Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to be trying out another Dollar Tree find, and this is from the brand b.pure. It's the Essentially Ageless Hydrating Serum Concealer. So yesterday I tried out the b.pure Essentially Ageless Hydrating Serum Foundation, and I was actually very impressed with it. The only thing that wasn't good about it was the shade and the lack of shade range, but it actually looked so good on the skin. It was a little too dark for me, but I ended up lightening it up a bit with some concealer, and I wore that foundation all day long. I wore it out to dinner and shopping, and I can't believe how much I love that foundation, and it's $1.25. So that has me even more excited to try out this concealer today. And unlike the foundation, which was kind of a small quantity for $1.25, this is actually a good sized concealer for $1.25. However, once again, this only comes in 2 shades. So the lightest shade is this one here called Light Medium, and then I think they have a medium dark. But this Essentially Ageless collection from b.pure is all formulated with natural oils, vitamins, and infused with serums, supposed to provide long-lasting hydration, which the foundation did do. And so then the concealer here is infused with hydrating serum, glycerin, and hyaluronic acid to help even out your skin tone and provide the coverage you need to help minimize the appearance of dark circles and blemishes. So I'm really hopeful that this will be very nice on the skin. So let's go ahead and find out. I, as you can see, struggle with under eye circles, and then I also have like large pores on my nose, my chin, so I typically like to bring my concealer down there as well. I've got the redness in my cheeks, but we'll see how this goes, if I have to use it more as a foundation because of the shade, or if I can get away with concealing and kind of highlighting the face. So it says to blend it out with your fingers. So that's the technique that I'll try at first. It's got this doe foot applicator, which is nice. So I'm just going to do 2 dots like that to start. And I'll blend it out with my finger. Okay, not super pigmented, not full coverage, maybe light coverage. I mean, it's blending out very nicely with the finger and looking very skin-like and hydrating on the skin. But that didn't help conceal my under eye circle much. Let's see if it's buildable. And since it's not super pigmented, I'll go in with a bit more this time. This shade, it's definitely got a yellow undertone to it, and I feel like it's okay. I like to have a shade lighter than my skin tone for my concealers, and this is not lighter than my skin tone necessarily, and it's not very buildable in coverage, which is a bummer because for a concealer I really do want that coverage. But wow, the texture of this is beautiful. So hydrated, smooth, skin-like. It has a little bit of glow to it. I just want that coverage. And since I have such dark under eye circles, I just don't think that I'm going to be using this concealer for my under eye circles. But let's see how it is, like, see on my chin here. Got some discoloration, some large pores, a little bit of blemishes. Maybe it can work for this area. It blends out nicely with the finger, but it just takes a while. I mean, on my skin, it's kind of giving a highlighted effect with the shade, but I feel like that's kind of because of the yellow tone to it. It's giving that bit of highlight. Yeah, I would say I was able to get about a light coverage, which for my chin is enough. So I like it for places where I really just need like light to medium coverage. But I am curious if I can blend this out with the beauty sponge, because that's what I would prefer. I'm gonna go ahead and apply quite a bit to my under eye, just so we can see how it looks with the sponge versus how I blended it out with my finger. And that's how I typically apply my concealer now, a bunch where in the center where it's darkest, and then I do the line to help lift my eye. And then we'll go ahead and do a bit on the nose as well. I'm not wearing any foundation, and typically I do like to just use concealer instead of foundation, just to hit those places where I need a little extra coverage. And you know, I kind of want to just also go a bit on the center of the forehead to even out the highlighting effect that I started doing there. And it's very liquidy, so it's not the type where you have to rush to blend in a section. Like, it can sit on your face and then still blend in just fine. Yeah, it's blending out nicely with the sponge, but definitely does not leave much behind. Not much coverage. Definitely light coverage blended out with the sponge. So there is how it looks. And the texture of it is beautiful. It's hydrating. There is a little bit of creasing, but it just doesn't give the amount of coverage that you would expect from a concealer. But I kind of feel like maybe I can get away with more of like a light foundation use from this. Like, it didn't give enough coverage on my nose. I want to go over again. But for $1.25, I'm okay with kind of applying this all over my face. If it can give me some nice light coverage concealer effect, or light coverage foundation effect, I mean. It looks funny how I've just kind of drawn it all over, but let's see over like the redness in my cheeks here. Yeah, you can see it's very light coverage, but I love the smooth, hydrated glow that it gives the skin. Such a beautiful finish. Now, why are there so many very expensive foundation complexion products that look so cakey and heavy on the skin, that don't look smooth and glowy and skin like this, but then this $1.25 version looks incredible on the skin? I just love the finish of this, the texture, and I wish all foundations had it figured out the way this one does. It's so impressive. But it's a little bit buildable on the nose now. Like, that's probably a decent amount of coverage, but I probably would want ideally a little bit more. But for this price, like, look at the glow to my skin. That actually looks so pretty now. Light coverage, but it did help to even out the skin tone. But best of all, the radiance that my skin has right now is so nice. Well, now I have it applied everywhere except for the rest of my forehead. And since I love how it looks so much, I'm just gonna finish applying it. I do think that this light medium concealer shade is a little bit lighter, so it does match my skin tone a little bit better as a foundation than the actual foundation does in light medium. Oh, you know what I probably could do and have like a perfect effect would be to mix these two together. Mix the foundation and the concealer, and then I would have a shade that works for me and that beautiful glow to the skin. I'm so excited that this b.pure essentially ageless line, or at least what I've tried from it so far, is such a Dollar Tree treasure, such a great successful Dollar Tree makeup product, and that's what I love to find in this series. I've tried out so many Dollar Tree makeup products as part of this trying a new makeup product everyday series because I really love to find those awesome, inexpensive products, and I am so happy that these really are great, inexpensive products that really make it more accessible to get that kind of ideal glowy skin effect for very inexpensive. But even if this was like a $20 product, concealer, I'd be like, oh, I need more coverage, but like for a face complexion product, if this was $20, I would still be blown away by how gorgeous this is on the skin. Like, I truly want to wear this as a daily all over face product because I can't stop looking in the mirror here. My skin looks so smooth, glowy, but not greasy. Just amazing. I do need a little bit more coverage on these under eye circles, but the rest of my face, I love the look of this. Wow. So if you were able to pick this up at your Dollar Tree, definitely let me know in the comments down below what you think of it, how it works for your skin. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.